Bom dia, meu nome é Isabela Andrade e quero agradecer a todos que reservaram esse tempo para estar aqui hoje. Este webinar é uma parceria da Federação das Indústrias do Estado do Paraná com o Taiwan Trade Center e o Ministério de Assuntos Econômicos de Taiwan. Iremos apresentar aqui hoje inovações tecnológicas para a indústria da madeira. Eu faço parte do Centro Internacional de Negócios do Sistema FIEP e nossa missão, enquanto Federação de Indústria, é ampliar o acesso da indústria paranaense a mercados no exterior, favorecer parcerias comerciais e contribuir para a construção de um ambiente favorável para a promoção de negócios, com a aproximação de indústrias do Paraná e estrangeiras. Para isso, a FIEP estabelece parcerias com instituições internacionais, e dentre elas está o Taiwan Trade Center. Convido agora a senhora Rachel Lu, diretora do Taiwan Trade Center Brasil, para suas palavras iniciais.
Bom dia a todos. Sou Jacky Lu, de Taiwan Trade Center do Brasil. Gostaria de agradecer por todo o apoio de FIEP para fazer neste evento acontecer. Há quase 50 anos, Taiwan começou a fabricar máquinas para processar madeira e nessa trajetória, Taiwan alcançou a quarto lugar de maior exportador mundial. Atualmente, são quase 650 fabricantes taiwaneses que atuam neste segmento e o valor de produção é 6 milhões de dólares por ano, sendo que 80% é para exportação. Taiwan Trade Center do Brasil é a filial brasileira de Taitra, uma principal organização governamental para comercial, promoção e comercial. Taitra é também a principal organizadora de feiras de negócios no país, realizando quase mais de 40 eventos por ano. Hoje faremos uma breve abordagem da indústria de máquinas para madeira de Taiwan e a seguir apresentaremos a feira de Taiwan que ocorre a cada 3 anos. Convidamos também as empresas GOODTEK e Innovator para apresentar suas empresas, mostrando pouco como os equipamentos de Taiwan poderão aumentar a competitividade de suas indústrias. E obrigada pela sua atenção.
Muito obrigada, senhora Lu. Gostaria de acrescentar que, ao final das apresentações, teremos um espaço aberto para perguntas e interação com o público. Por favor, envie suas perguntas e comentários pelo link indicado na tela. Basta apontar a câmera do seu celular e ler o QR Code. Caso não dê tempo de responder todas as perguntas, enviaremos respostas por e-mail. Nós, do Paraná, somos um dos maiores produtores e exportadores de madeira no Brasil. Foi o terceiro produto mais vendido pelo Estado para o exterior em janeiro passado, segundo dados divulgados pelo Ministério da Economia. Foram mais de 93 milhões de dólares comercializados para fora, o que representou um crescimento de 37% na comparação com janeiro de 2020. Para aproveitar ao máximo o produto, empresas e estudiosos desenvolveram muitas técnicas de processamento inovadoras para fabricar diferentes materiais à base da madeira. E como a senhora Lu muito bem pontuou, Taiwan tem grande know-how em soluções inteligentes e inovadoras para o processamento da madeira. Para nos apresentar o panorama da indústria de máquinas de madeira de Taiwan e a feira Wood Taiwan, convido o Sr. Alex Liao, gerente do Taitra em Taiwan. Informo que a apresentação do Sr. Liao será feita em inglês com legendas em português. Please, Mr. Hein, the floor is yours.
Hi there, this is your host, Alex Lai. Welcome to join this Wood Taiwan Digital Days webinar. Though our trade show has been rescheduled to April 28, 2022 due to the pandemic, business and networking are still going on. In this Wood Taiwan Digital Days series, we will enlighten you with what makes us different from others, presenting our best to help grow your business. Since Wood Taiwan is dedicated to promoting global woodworking machinery, it is very important to know who buys machines. According to the International Trade Center, ITC's data in 2019, USA bought more than $1.4 billion, standing as the world's largest importer, followed by Germany and Italy. Emerging markets, Vietnam, Russia, were ranked number 4 and number 5. On the other hand, when we examine the supplying side, Germany pops up to take the lead with exports of $2 billion, followed by China and Italy. And Taiwan was the number 4 supplier of worldwide woodworking machinery. In 2020, Taiwan shipped $700 million more US. And I would like to elaborate a bit further on what kind of machines we've shipped and who buys them from us. Taiwan ships all kinds of woodworking machines to the world, from sewing machines to planing machines, sanding machines, veneering machines, and many others more. In the pie chart, you can figure out that we have shipped sewing machine the most, consisting of 44%, while that of molding, planing machines is 15%, and sanding machines 10%. And who buys the machines from us? The right slide shows you our top 10 destinations. The bigger the bubble, the more products we've shipped. For those bubbles in blue color, it means we are doing good in those markets, such as Russia, Japan, and USA. For those in yellow, the market opportunity is much better than our current performance. The market in Vietnam, Germany, and Canada fall on this category. You might ask, what makes us different from others? The main reason is we tailor machines according to customers' needs. Taiwan's machines enjoy a good reputation of high quality, reliability, and quick response to customers' demands after their sales. In this webinar series, we've invited heavyweight machine makers from different applications, presenting their engineering crafts and solutions. Wood Taiwan is a perfect venue for you to explore the cutting-edge machines. In the last exhibition 3 years ago, we had 167 exhibitors using 1,076 booths, showcasing their best products and know-hows, attracted more than 900 buyers from the globe and nearly 5,300 domestic professionals to network with their counterparts. The coming Wood Taiwan will be staged at Tai Next One. We look forward to your visit the next year in Taipei. Thank you.
Obrigada, Sr. Hein. O Sr. Hines estará conosco ao vivo ao final das apresentações para a sessão de perguntas e respostas. Agora, o Sr. Jacky Liao apresentará a GOODTEK, empresa com 35 anos de experiência na fabricação de plano de dupla face. Sr. Liao, por favor, quais as vantagens na utilização das máquinas da GOODTEK? Mr. Liao, please tell us the advantages of using double-side planner.
Hi everybody, my name is Jacky. I work in GOODTEK is over 15 years. Now I am sales manager of GOODTEK machinery. My job is responsible for the sales around the world. I able to sell machine to the European, South and North America, Africa, and Australia. Now I want to introduce our company for you. GOODTEK machinery is a professional manufacturer for heavy-duty double-side planner in Taiwan. We have more than 35 years experience in this kind of machine. We have many models and the numbers patents for double-side planner. Besides the standard models, we can offer customized machine to meet the customer's special requirement. We always know you cannot avoid the challenge and competition. You must solve the problem for your customer. This is the reason you can survive in this cool period. Now I am very proud to introduce the double-side planner for you. Basically speaking, double-side planner is a combined automatic planner and hand joint in a single machine. It is more safe, faster, efficient than planner and the joint. Its maximum feeding speed is 24 meters per minute. Even we can do 40 as options. Its main function is to make the timber the same thickness by playing top and the bottom surface. Like I told you, we have many models for you to choose. Now I will introduce our full models for you. Those you can see, that is our 400 models. The special one is the medium, GT400S. It can plan only 100 minutes length of wood. Besides, it has a synchronized conveyor table. This equipment is more good for the operator to feed the show material. Now this equipment is for option for all models, not only for GT400S. More and more customers prefer this function because it's a convenience. GT400B is our standard model. It can plan 250 minutes length of wood. Not only, if you are first time to use a double-side planner, GT400B can be your best choice. You can see those are 610 and 635 series models. The special one is medium, HS635ARD. It is our high-speed models. The normal feeding speed is 24 meters per minute, but HS635ARD can up to 40. This model is suitable for the long wood material planing. For example, 6, 8, and more. The high speed can reduce operation time. It makes it more efficient. If you have this demand, you can choose the HS635ARD. The other models are our standard models. The big difference between A type and the B type is the B type is suitable for the show wood process. B type can do 250 minutes, but for A, it can do 310 minutes. Wooden building is more and more popular around the world, but there is no machine can process so large timber like beam, In the past, the only solution is by human labor. Due to this reason, we have a new models. It can press top and the bottom of very wide and very long wood material in a short time. Compare for the menu playing this kind of large tempo. Our GTN 1320W can save a lot of human labor and the time. It is good for the playing very twister and different height of the raw material, especially for big plywood. You can see it is composed by many species with much glue on the surface. Now I will show you the video. You can see those are two videos. In the past, the worker usually plan a huge wood by many. It costs a lot of time, human labor, and efficiency. Perhaps you will spend one day just 2 or 3 pieces production, and the quality of the service is not good also. Now our GTN 132W can do this job automatically. You don't need to spend much time and human labor in process. Save more cost and make it more profit. For this model, the maximum wide is 1,320 minutes. The maximum singleness is 3,300 minutes as standard, but we can up to 500 as option. Now I am very proud to show you the demonstration of a video about our company and what double-side planer can do for you. You can see our company location is in Taichung City, the center of Taiwan. You can see this is our office. We have 30 employees in our office, our company. Okay, you can see this is our factory. I told you before, we are professional manufacturer for double-side planer. So we only produce this kind of machine, no other machines. We can produce 400 and 500 machines a year. Now we are trying to organize our machine and the spare parts. We try to reduce the delivery time of our products. The lead time for the machine is only 20 days. For spare parts, only 1 day. Okay, you can see this is a factory in Indonesia. The model is GT6108. You can see this factory is more than 10 machines of GOODTEK planer. Their production is very huge. For the double-side planer, you can put several singles in one pass. Okay, you can see this is the final product. Okay, this factory is in Thailand. Now it's applying the top and the bottom surface. Now it's applying left and the right surface. You can see the raw material is composed by small piece by using a finger jointer machine. Thank you for your time and watching. If you want to buy a double side printer, you can choose the GOODTEK machinery. Thank you.
Obrigada, Sr. Liao. O Sr. Liao também estará conosco ao final para a sessão de perguntas e respostas. Para nos apresentar a empresa Innovator Machinery, convido o Sr. Chang. O Sr. Chang, por favor, como as máquinas de confecção de caixas da Innovator podem ajudar as indústrias? Mr. Chang, please tell us, how can the Innovator box making machines help the industries?
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yin. I'm the General Manager of the Innovator Machineries. I would like to take this opportunity to give you a short presentation about who we are and what we do. So we, as the Innovator Machinery, was founded in 2002. We are located in Taichung City in Taiwan. Currently, we have our production site is around 4,000 square meters with about 40 employees. So since the foundation of the Innovators, we used to do a lot of the veneering equipment. So up to 2013, we have sold more than 600 veneer presses worldwide to over 40 countries in the world. And in 2019, we start to get into another field, which is the box making machines. I will explain what is the function and what the advantage and what is the problem we try to solve with these box making machines. So what is the just-in-time packing solutions? And oftentimes when we visit the customers, we will see the customer have a lot of waste boxes in their warehouse, and those boxes may not be used again anymore. So the advantage we are trying to provide is that by these box making machines, we can make any size, any box styles in any times in an easy and more efficient ways. And you will be able to stop wasting money and time for those inventory boxes. In a way, you can also reduce the number of the staff that you need to check and locate these boxes as you need it. So we also can help you to reduce the cost of the feeders, like peanuts and air peelers, so you don't have to ship a lot of airs when you do the logistics on your trucks. So we can carry the content to the customer safe and sound by minimize the shipping cost. And we also can help you less the shipping cost by reducing the necessary field. So as a result, a better environment for our kids by having more boxes to be fitted on the truck and airplanes. So consider all the benefits of our box machines. You are able to produce the fixed size boxes in an easy and efficient way. So here I would like to show you videos which you will be able to understand how the machine works and how it can function. So you can simply just punch the length and also the width and the height of the box that you want to make it. And you can simply punch the start buttons, and within 5 to seconds, the machine will make the boxes for you. This is our scanning measurement systems. So in a lot of e-commerce industries where you want to pack the contents which come in different sizes, you don't need to order a lot of huge quantity of the boxes. So by our machines, you are able to make the box size just right to fit the content that you are planning to ship. So let's get into a little bit detail about the machines. Here, as you can see on the PowerPoint here, we have the infit rollers and also the outfit rollers. So by standards, we are offering 1 crosswise cutting units and 6 longitudinal cutting units and the creasers. And this is the sheet fittings, automatic sheet fitting phones, and you don't have to fit the cotton manually by your workers. You can also use we call the fan for fitting systems, which will help you to fit the cotton papers more easy and in a continuous way. You can also have we call the side-by-side fitting systems. You can have two different widths of the corrugated cottons, and to maximize the yield of your raw materials. We can also do the maximum 6 fan for stores, and by our side-by-side fitting systems, you can have maximum 12 different kind of the widths of the corrugated raw materials. Again, it will help you to save a lot on your raw materials. So let's get into the program part of our machines. From the slides here, you can very easily see there are several box styles that you can choose. And once you choose on the box styles, the next thing you have to do is to punch 3 numbers. You have to tell the machine the length and the width and the height of your boxes. And within 10 seconds, the box is ready for you. This video was taken from one of our customers. They are very typical panel furniture producers. So each panel they produce, they come with different size. So before using our machines, they are having a very huge space. They have to order a huge quantity of the boxes, and they will take a lot of their warehouse space. So by having our machines, now they are able to pack whatever size of the panel they produce in a very easy and very clean way. So the application of this box making machine can be various. It can be used for the door manufacturers, a lot of different furniture packaging applications like chairs or different size of the couch, sofas. So in a way, it will help you to reduce the cost of the shippings, and it will help you to reduce, to help you to manage your warehouse. So this is the end of our presentations. So if you have more questions, you are more than welcome to send us an email at service@innovatormachinery.com. You can also log in our website at www.innovatormachinery.com. There will be more photos, videos, and more documents available and to help you to understand. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you soon.
Muito obrigada, Sr. Chang. Agora, vamos direcionar as perguntas que recebemos aos nossos convidados. Lembrando que vocês podem enviar suas perguntas e comentários por meio do QR Code que está na tela. Os convidados responderão em mandarim e faremos tradução consecutiva para o português. O Sr. Chang Wei nos ajudará com a interpretação. Até pela proximidade física do idioma, peço agora ao Sr. Liao que conduza essa sessão. Please, Mr. Liao, you may start.
Thank you, Isabella, and to all our good friends in Brazil. Welcome back to Taiwan. And we have Jacky and Ian with us, and now is our fun time for the Q&A. So I have first question. Do your machine need service after sales? 请问你的机器需要售后服务吗？
Então, bom dia pessoal. Alex, né, falou que está em Taipei, né? Agora está à noite, mas deseja bom dia para todos, né? E está com Ian e Jacky, né, para responder nossas perguntas. Então, aqui temos uma pergunta, né? É o seguinte: como que funciona o serviço de pós-venda? Okay.
Basically speaking, double-side planner is not so complicated machine, so it doesn't like the four-side model. It don't need to set the color hand in advance, and also the maintain is very easy. It just take care of the cleaning every day. 双面报它其实不是很复杂的机器，所以它不需要说事先的先设定刀头，它不像四面报一样，所以在售后服务之外，它不需要很多的工作。那我们也会事先寄我们做好的那个设定的那个 video 给客人，让他们可以很清楚的知道说这机器如何的设定。
Bom dia, pessoal. Então, basicamente, a plana de 2 fases é uma máquina relativamente simples, né? Por exemplo, ela não precisa configurar a ferramenta, né? Igual a plana de 4 fases. Então, é uma máquina muito fácil de manutenção, né? E em relação à pós-venda, atualmente estamos ajudando nossos clientes a fazer a manutenção, né? Até a instalação de forma virtual, né? Estamos produzindo vídeos, né? Ou por meio de videoconferência, para orientar nosso cliente a fazer o devido manutenção. Ok.
Good morning, everyone. Yes, of course, as machinery manufacturers, we are always looking ways to service our customers. However, because of the COVID-19 pandemic since last years, we are unable to visit and service our customer like we used to do. So we have turned our service in more like a digital form. For example, we are turning our operational manual from paper to the video. 当然，以一个机械设备制造商，我们一直很希望能够提供最好的服务给我们的客户。可是因为去年 COVID-19 的蔓延，所以我们没有办法像以前一样一直很密集的去拜访，还有去服务我们的客户。所以隆德公司在去年开始，我们进行所谓的数位化的过程。我们把一些纸上的一些说明或者是操作书，把它转成是数位化的形式来呈现，希望能够提供给客户比较容易完整的服务。
Então, o senhor Chang está falando assim, nosso maior desejo, né, como um fabricante de máquinas, é que os nossos clientes se sentem satisfeitos com nossos equipamentos, né? Mas assim, devido à pandemia, né, nós não podemos visitar nossos clientes como fazíamos no passado. Então, por isso estamos fazendo formas alternativas, né? Ou seja, como o colega do meu lado disse, né? Estamos produzindo os vídeos, né? Para digitalizar esses manuais que eram escritos, né? A gente vai transformar eles em vídeos para orientar nossos clientes para fazer a manutenção, né? E assim como a instalação de máquinas, né? A gente também está orientando nossos clientes a fazer isso de forma virtual, né? Mas assim, estamos sempre de apoio, né? Para as demandas de nossos clientes. Ok.
So the next question is for Innovator. For box machine, besides entering the box specification data manually, does your machine have any other way to key in the spec? 是我们第二个问题呢，是要请教隆德的张总。我们纸箱机器除了在电脑上使用人工输入长、宽、高这些资料之外，是不是还有其他的方式？
Então, aqui tenho uma pergunta especialmente para o senhor Chang do Innovator, da empresa Innovator. Eu queria saber, a máquina de produzir caixa de papelão, a forma de inserir as medidas, né? Além de fazer isso manualmente, existe outras formas de por exemplo, eu colocar, né, eu configurar as medidas da caixa a ser produzida. Ok.
Yes, there are a couple of ways that you can that our machine receive the data. Number one, you can just simply punch the box style and length and width and height of the box that you want to produce. The machine will do the setting automatically and make the box in about 10 or 15 seconds. You can also have the access on your internal production systems, or we call the ERP systems. With this access, we will be very easy to get the data from your production system to let the machine to read the data. We can have, we call the scanner systems. So basically, it's like a hand scanners. You can have your subjects which you want to pack it through our scanner system to let our machine to read the size, the length, and width, and the height. 所以我们在输入方面呢，我们有几种方法可以让我们机器来读取我们所需要的资料。首先呢，你也可以最简单的就是你用你的手指在我们的触控萤幕上，用人工的方式呢输入你所需要的箱型还有长宽高。那第二种方式呢，我们也可以经由一个网路线的连接，能够连接到你公司内部的系统，然后去读取你们公司现在已经有的这些资料，来做成我们所需要的纸箱。那第三个呢，我们也有提供我们的一个雷射枪的一个扫描系统，这个也是一个很方法而且很快速的可以让我们机器来读取我们所需要的资料。
Tá. Então, isso é uma pergunta muito interessante, né? Porque a nossa máquina, ela permite, a princípio, 3 formas, né, de você inserir a medida da caixa a ser produzida. A primeira é fazer isso manualmente. Na máquina está acoplada um touchscreen, você pode inserir, né, a medida da altura, comprimento e largura, né, de forma manual, né? E também você pode conectar a máquina ao seu sistema de gerenciamento de produção, ou a gente chama de ERP, né? Para achar uma medida de caixa que já foram produzidas anteriormente, né? É uma forma mais precisa, né? E essa conexão pode ser feita via cabo também, né? E temos a terceira forma, que a máquina já vem com um leitor, na verdade, um escaneador manual, né? Ou seja, se você tem uma caixa já existente, você pode escanear as medidas, né? E esses dados são inseridos na máquina, e a máquina vai repetir a produção, ou seja, vai começar a produzir uma caixa na mesma medida. Ok.
I would like to also emphasize what we call the online servicing systems. So each of our machines come with this we call the remote monitoring systems. Instead of sending our engineer on site to actually check the machines, we will be able to here in Taiwan through internet to actually get into the programming of our machines and to actually diagnose the problem and even to prevent the problems and to help our customer to run the machine very smoothly. 我想要再说明一下，就是我们的机器呢有一个叫远端的售后服务系统。那只要客户或是使用者呢给我们一个网络的连接，我们就有办法在台湾在我们办公室这里，在我们公司这里远端的来替客户做一些程式或是软件的诊断跟服务，能够提早预防这个问题的发生。
Então, senhor Chang, só gostaria de fazer uma observação. Todas as máquinas da Innovator estão habilitadas para fazer manutenção via controle remoto. Isso quer dizer, uma vez a máquina está conectada à internet, né, e com a permissão do usuário, os engenheiros da Innovator conseguem acessar a máquina, né, e fazer alguma manutenção preventiva, né, de evitar possíveis problemas que podem vir a ocorrer depois de um período de uso, né. Então, isso aqui é só uma observação que o senhor Chang gostaria de fazer. Ok.
Okay. The coming question is for GOODTEK. So your GTM 1320W can work the wood material size up to 1320 millimeter, that is width, and thickness of 500 millimeter size. So do you have any conveyor system to choose to use? 下面的问题呢是要请教耀登。那么贵公司 GTM 1320W 这样的一个设备呢，可以加工木材到1320 mm 的一个宽度，500 mm 的一个厚度。那请问这么大的一个工件来加工，有没有可以加上送料机的？
Então, temos uma pergunta direcionada para o senhor Jacky da GOODTEK, né? O modelo GTM 1320, né, que trabalha assim, que tem uma área de trabalho de 1320 milímetros de largura, né, e de 500 milímetros de espessura. Então, realmente, é relativamente uma área grande, né, de trabalho. Aí eu queria saber, essa máquina, para esse modelo especificamente, é possível acoplar um alimentador de matéria-prima? Ok. Então, essa aqui é a pergunta.
Yes, of course we can. For a large wood, it is impossible to feed by manual. So, of course, we can manufacture the conveyor tables for in-feed and out-feed. Also, we can manufacture according to the customer's special requirement. 是的，我们当然是可以根据客户的要求来制作输送带，在出料端跟进料端。尤其是现在工厂都采用自动化、自动线的规划，我们也可以根据客户他前端跟后端的机器去增加输送带，这是可以做到的。谢谢。
Então, a princípio é possível sim, né? Porque além de alimentar a máquina de forma manual, nós produzimos, né, tanto na entrada quanto na saída do produto, né, uma correia alimentadora, né, para suprir a máquina. E hoje em dia, como as máquinas, quer dizer, as fábricas, né, são altamente automatizadas, então, dependendo do layout da linha de produção, é possível sim a gente criar, né, a gente desenvolver um alimentador de madeira a demanda do cliente. Então, isso é possível, sim. Ok.
And Jacky, here comes a follow-up question. So, can GOODTEK make bigger machine than GTM 1320W? 这是一个延伸的问题。那请教耀登贵公司可以做的比 GTM 1320W 这个双面报更大的机台吗？
Tá, na verdade, essa pergunta é a continuação, né, da última, né? Em relação desse modelo GTM 1320, né, que tem uma área de trabalho de 1.320 milímetros de largura, né, e 500 milímetros de espessura, é possível a GOODTEK produzir, né, fabricar uma máquina maior que essa? Né? Essa aqui é a pergunta. Ok.
Yes, of course, we can manufacture more large machines. Actually, we are planning to manufacture 1,600 millimeter wider and 300 millimeter thickness machine. So, but we can, according to the customer special requirement, to manufacture. We are case ability is very strong. 当然，我们耀登公司可以制作更大的机器，我们可以根据客户的要求去设计，去更宽或者是更厚的木材，这是没有问题的。
Sim, é possível, sim. Né? É possível a GOODTEK fabricar, desenvolver, né, um equipamento maior que por exemplo, o modelo GTM 1320, né? Dependendo da necessidade do cliente, temos essa alta flexibilidade de customizar, né, a máquina conforme a demanda do cliente. Mas, a princípio, é possível, sim. Ok.
And I have one more question for Innovator. Dear Mr. Chang, could you tell me, please, is it possible to use also cardboard plates instead of fan fold? 这个问题是要请问隆德的张总，除了用 fan fold 就是扇形折法之外，也有可能使用贵公司机器来做 cardboard plates 吗？
Our box making machine is normally used with the fan fold corrugated paper in order to get the maximum yield out of your cotton raw material. However, you can also use we call the plates, corrugated paper or sheet corrugated papers for the feedings, because in some countries it might be difficult to find this kind of a fan fold corrugated paper. 我们隆德公司制作的纸箱机呢，除了可以应用在连续纸板类的瓦楞纸以外，我们也可以用在平板类的瓦楞纸。那当然，平板连续式的瓦楞纸，它可以帮助我们的使用者能够达到材料的最有效的利用率。可是，在很多的国家可能没有办法找到或是生产这种连续式的纸板，平板类的纸板也是可以用的。
Como tem algum termo mais específico, vou tentar traduzir, tá? Aí qualquer coisa, Isabel, você dá um help. Então, a pergunta é a seguinte, né? Eles estão perguntando, são dois tipos de forma de produzir, acho que é papelão ondulado que chama, né? Corrugado, eu não sei. Um tipo é fan fold, né? Acho que é forma de leque, né? E outro são os lâminas, né? De folha, né? E, então, a pergunta é a seguinte, será que a máquina do Innovator aceita essas, assim como matéria-prima, né? Esse dois tipos de papelão, né? Então, essa aqui é a pergunta, né? Se a máquina aceita esse dois tipos de lâmpada, né? Ou o cardboard, né? Esse dois tipos de papelão. E a resposta do senhor Chang, né? Ele disse assim, como em algum país, né? Onde é mais difícil encontrar produção seriada de papelão ondulado, né? Então, a máquina é possível, sim, né? Ela aceita tanto fan fold, né? Quanto a cardboard, né? Então, é possível alimentar a máquina com esse dois tipos de de papelão. Isso é possível, sim. Eu não sei se ficou claro a pergunta. Sim. Ok.
Yes, we just have one question from one of our audience here. He is asking if our box making machine can select the continuous corrugate paper by himself. Yes, our feeding system can store as much as 12 different kind width of the corrugate material. So once you punch the size of the boxes they want to make into our machines, the machine will calculate and will select the most suitable width of the corrugate papers, again to get the maximum yield out of the raw material. And this is also the main function of this kind of a box making machine. 刚刚有一个观众有提问说，我们的纸箱机是不是可以自动选择不同宽幅的连续纸进料？我们的纸箱机它可以最多它可以存放12种不同宽幅的这个连续瓦楞纸，所以当使用者他输入这个长宽高以后，机器会去自动计算，而且去判读它最适合哪一个宽幅的连续纸的瓦楞纸，然后去选那个材料来用。这个可以帮助我们的使用者可以节省他这个瓦楞纸材料的使用。
Tá, então, tem uma pergunta para o senhor Chang, né? A máquina de produção de caixa, ela já vem com uma espécie de armazenamento de papelão ondulado, né? Então, eu queria saber quanto é colocado, por exemplo, vários tipos de matéria-prima, vários tipos de papelão, né? Com medida diferente. Como que a máquina seleciona o papelão na medida ideal, né, de forma assim otimizar a matéria-prima, né, para iniciar a produção, né? Então a pergunta é isso, né? Como que a máquina faz essa seleção, né? Se a máquina consegue fazer essa seleção de matéria-prima, né, na medida correta? Então a senhora Chang disse que a máquina, né, a máquina deles, né, já vem com um armazém, né, habilitado para 12, né, 12 tipos diferentes de medida, né, de papelão ondulado. Uma vez colocado a medida, né, da caixa que você precisa, a máquina automaticamente faz esse cálculo, né, para achar a medida que tem o maior proveito, né, desse papelão, né, para iniciar a produção, né? Então a máquina é possível fazer isso, assim, né? Ela é inteligente, né? Ele faz essa seleção de forma espontânea, né, e inteligente. Então essa aqui é a resposta do senhor Chang. Ok.
Due to the time limit, our Q&A section has to be stopped at this moment, and we thank you very much for your time being with us. And now we would like to back to Isabella. Isabella. Isabella, we cannot hear you. Yes. Okay, thank you for all your watching this Brazil webinar, and we thank you for your participation and looking forward to seeing you very soon, either in Brazil or in Taiwan. Before that, wish you all the best. And we also bring 5 minutes the industrial about Taiwan's woodworking machinery, and I hope you will enjoy our film. Thank you. Nature is the fundamental source for our human society and for all living beings. How to reach a balance and be able to live with our nature has recently become the most important topic. Same for the woodworking industry, serving as the initial material in industrialization. Now, it is also moving toward a more advanced manufacture and aim for an efficient utilization of wood, higher precision with less waste, and a greener production.
We are trying to develop a new technology to help our customer to make more furniture and more woodcraft with the less consumption of the timbers.
So only the smart machine can solution the problem.
We would like to make the machine different from the global market.
From the perspective of the current market trends, with a flexible capability of the production system will be the best combination for the future customer investment.
It's a good opportunity for all customers to see different kind of woodworking machines in Wood Taiwan Show.
We think the advantage of physical exhibitions is we can have discussion with customers about their needs and requirements.
Taiwanese manufacturing is very strong on the product. Taiwanese company focus on the manufacturing the machine. They are lack of the professional skill. So always we need to customer special need something we can modify for them. This is also our advantage.
2020 has been a challenging year, and the woodworking industry, not just for us in Taiwan, but for the whole world, continues to adapt in 2021. Ranking as the fourth largest exporter for global woodworking machinery, Taiwan has been a major producer of reliable sewing machines, molding equipment, sanding machines, jointers, and canoning machines. At Wood Taiwan, we are committed to keeping the global woodworking community connected and informed, with the ultimate ambition to shape the future of green manufacturing. Job Wood Taiwan 2021 has been rescheduled to 2022 due to the pandemic. Wood Taiwan Digital Days from April 22nd to 25th will keep you updated on the latest development about Taiwan woodworking machinery. The online activities will include Wood Discover factory tours to leading exhibitors, webinars for hard products launches and market opportunities, and online business matching meetings. And even more is yet to come, with more than 150 exhibitors expected both online and the showground in 2022. Wood Taiwan will be one of the great opportunities to meet with our leading Taiwanese exhibitors from both online and later at the showground in 2022.
Welcome to visit.
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 We welcome you to visit the Wood Taiwan Show. See you soon.